Yeah.
Hey, so I think, why did you try to add us to another group?
I don't know.
It makes things a lot harder.
It does. I might try to watch some of these videos afterwards. I kind of forgot about them.
Videos for what?
So it shows you how to do like each sort of problem.
Oh, that sounds good. Yeah, let me see. Oh, and you didn't take my. Oh, hold on a second. You only gave me credit for those questions that included the stuff. She wouldn't give me the credit for the rest.
Did it help?
Well, yeah, it still doubled my score, but
You got 60 instead of 30?
yeah. So I mean, hey, that's good enough for me.
Oh, of course, that's sweet.
But I'm still not passing. Let's see. So do you have the answers for this one?
Some of them.
Is the Trimble is that the P with the point on top? Number 3.
No. So I just went over some of this in some of those videos it went over it. But it's P is the true population
Just plain
proportion.
P?
Yeah.
Oh.
So the P hat is what it's called, is like the population well, it's like X bar.
Yeah.
So it's like an estimated or a new population, I guess.
Yeah, I think that sounds right. I'm gonna say for 4 and 5, is it true?
4 is true. 5 is actually false. The requirements for conducting high-velocity tests. I'll look that up, why that is, real quick. Requirements.
Get some water.
Okay. So the first one is true because, do you remember the n and p is equal to or greater than 10?
Yeah.
And then n 1 minus p has to be the same thing. So that's why that one's true. I don't see a hypothesis test. So.
So do you think you're ready for for Sister Soul's test tomorrow?
No, I'm not. But we need to go over some of the tests tonight, and then I'll go to class tomorrow. And
Yeah, I can't go to class tomorrow. I have to be at work.
oh dang.
So I have class in the morning. I have bio in the morning, and I get out at 10. I go straight from there to the testing center. And I gotta run in. As soon as I'm done, I gotta run and get my car, and then run straight to work.
So you have to take it at 10?
Yeah.
That sucks. You ready?
No.
I'm confused at this because this is telling me that there's requirements for the confidence interval, and that is NP greater than or equal to 10 and whatever, and then I like go down further and it says the requirements for hypothesis test is the exact same.
Yeah. Okay, so it's false. Is 6.75?
I don't know.
Good. Okay.
We don't have it.
That's good. Well, I think that's the answer. Let's see.
What is P? What is that P anyways?
Huh?
1 second.
What are you talking about?
Hello. Hey, can I call you back and take your cab? This group meeting. Sorry.
No, you're good.
Yeah, so what's the P with that thing over it?
Like I said, that was P hat.
Well, that's different for 6.
Okay, for that, it's a proportion.
So is that from, so do you think it's 0.75?
Okay, so 6 is 0.75, 7 is B.
Okay. How did you find 6?
6, it's X over N.
Oh, okay.
So it's 45 over 60.
Okay.
And then from that you do it's the P triangle hat times 1 minus p triangle hat over n all in square root times your constant, the interval thing. So let's see. It's gonna decrease, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to see.
Yeah.
I think so, but
Yeah, because I did the math for it. So you minus 0.094 or 0.095 out, so it gives you a
okay.
smaller range, but
Okay. Yeah, I think it definitely decreases.
what are the two requirements that need to be met?
For
Hypothesis. Oh,
I
here it
don't
is.
know. What did you
Let's
find it to
see.
be?
State null. It doesn't tell me the requirements though.
What is the smallest n can be?
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't get it because the requirements that I saw were the n times p,
Has to be bigger than 10, right?
yeah, or equal to, but it also has to be n times 1 minus p is greater than or equal to 10.
So we said n minus 1 times p.
And it's n 1 minus p. So it's n times 1 minus p.
Has to just be greater than 10, right?
Yeah, or equal to.
So do you think 9, the answer is 20?
Let me see. Yeah, it has to be. Huh?
And 10 has to be 100, right?
Yeah, it's gotta be 2. Make it 2 requirements. Well, 110. Yeah, it does. Huh? Okay, so you do. Actually, let me get my calculator. So is P 0.475 on 11?
On 12, yes. 11's false, right?
I put true. Let's see.
Okay, for Z, I got negative 2.282.
2.282. So did you find that formula? It says Z equals P hat minus P.
Yeah, P triangle minus P divided by the square root of P, then 1 minus P over N equals Z.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm confused. What did you get for P, the P triangle then on 12?
P triangle for 12 is 0.45. And then the normal P is 0.6.
So how do you find the normal P? I thought it was X divided by N.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Nine, 7, 8. Okay. So how did I get normal P?
No, never mind.
I just checked because they're testing at 60%.
Yeah. Okay. So for the P.
For P, I got 0.978.
Because for 12 I got 0.475.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Oh, okay. I thought you said
And
4
for 13, I got negative 2.282. 14, I got 0.978.
Okay.
I don't know what the answer to 15 is. Because it's P is above our, so it's above our significance level, right?
Yes.
So we're supposed to fail to reject, right? or reject? I always get confused.
So no, so yeah, actually I'm confused right now too. Well, it should be fail to reject the hypotenuse. I feel like, but so this is one of the answers that I got, and it says that reject the null hypothesis is right.
To reject the null? Okay.
I don't know why though. That doesn't make sense.
Yeah, fail to reject was mean it's correct, but it's clearly not. Right?
Yeah,
So
I
since
think
there's
so.
significant.
So what did you what did you select for?
16?
No, for like the applet. Did you?
For the applet, I put in just the middle.
Okay.
Just the middle, and it's 2.282, right? For the Z?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
So there's
wondering if it's if the p-value is different then, like if we're supposed to highlight something else, because if it says reject the null hypothesis, then I think it's supposed to be below the significance level.
let me see.
P.
So you think our p-value is different?
I think our p-value might be just the left side.
Just the left? Would be 0.0112.
Yeah.
I can see that. So we're rejecting the null. And it says there's significant evidence that it has changed.
On 16?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Has decreased or not? Has not decreased
Has decreased.
to the first one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how we're doing.
I could.
I got 94.
Nice.
Okay, 5 is true.
Dude, that's my. Wait, that was my bad, I think.
No, it's not a problem. And then 14 is 0.011.
It gave you the answer?
Hmm?
It gave you the answer?
I got it right.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think the reason, because I'm so confused at like what we're supposed to highlight in that stupid applet all the time, but
Yeah,
I
have no idea. It just depends what you're trying to test, basically.
yeah. Oh, it's so annoying.
Yeah. Well, hey, a 94 is not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad news.
Okay. Let me see. Let's go.